being broken into and various items are stolen, for an example, particularly electronic items, for an example, cameras, laptops, etc., etc.
I know, man. There's no crime here. I do a very good job.
Yeah, I'm not saying you're not doing a good job. In general, is it dangerous?
Oh, everybody knows crime is dangerous. You know, one time here, I had to chase away 7 guys with 7 guns who wanted to take 7 cars.
7 criminals?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
No, I told them straight. I said, get away when, otherwise I phone the police with my phone.
That's very brave.
Yeah.
You weren't afraid that they would shoot you?
No, I was not afraid. Besides, I was standing inside. My name is Pt.2. I come from Far Wazobia. If you need my professional services, you can phone me on my number 074 312 7536. I'm very good in my job, but I'm not so sure.
I'm very good in my job,
but I'm not so cheap. Oh my God, which name is that?
That's the reason why I tell them, I say, more when I watch video, see the difference, how I go to the guard motto for South Africa and how I own them.
I was there one day, 7 guys there want to see 7 cars.
7 guys.
I told them to live there with 7 guns.
What does say 7 cars?
I told them to live there with what? I told them I'll call the police.
I called them with my phone.
Now he like what they call police.
When you found me password again, you know you hear the guy name? You hear the guy name?
Pache.
I want this fella. Oh my God.
Okay, the matter plenty today. Now, you know, say before it's either your party hustle, one hustle, and then you they do another hustle.
Yes.
But now, many parents not they do the same hustle. I don't see family where we say the picking they play ball. The man still get ambition to play ball for his age. Because of the money.
I'm saying a generational business.
And now, what they happen we say EFCC come arrest Papa and Pikin. What they do? Yahoo.
Family business.
Now you say Papa pass out to Pikin.
Moku get the details of the gist.
Maybe the father they...
Papa and Pikin wey be dey do internet thief. EFCC don gbab jobless Papa and Pikin sake of say dem get 2 cars and 1 uncompleted building. EFCC talk say the Papa Justice Unuaife and the Pikin Omorigo Unuaife wey dey jobless obtain $4,256 from Cheng Chongshin, one Chinese man, as they act as Maro Moton, where they take knack the man Mugu. The cars where they get na Honda Accord 2004 model and Acura ZDX, and they no get document to prove how they get this motor, even the house where they don't build too.
I beg, help me look my Acura for outside though. I beg, white and black. You didn't get
you know they say family is everything.
Yes.
If you're picking to do business where you need to support her, you support. Now you like if you're picking in the school, you come back, they give assignment, you support her. So you're picking maybe to do yahoo. I don't even know why EFCC safe. Family
business, now they go put
go spoil am.
They don't talk about anything with about family. More than leave for family to settle am.
To me, the father they act as imposter. Maybe like person wey go yours. Maybe na the face the picture where they use na the father. So as
I bet leave all those things. No be somebody one time you see someone at 27 million naira take innovate one house.
I tell you. And they congratulate am put. They congratulate na woman abi.
I don't know whether that woman no call name.
Wait. You know, say you don't take small while here about the FCC. They don't fold up. They see the abuse.
No,
they see they now people teach man.
They wait after election.
Even NAFDAC.
Look,
no be joke.
Shakara, for this level, what we do for this country, EFCC self need EFCC for himself. They need them for their own self.
I tell you, say they don't tell why here EFCC. Now the last time I hear NAFDAC. Now when NAFDAC sees Turkey, sees drug, you know, say they burn the drugs immediately.
Yes.
Fire, they burn. The NAFDAC man where they stand there, burn them. How would they be importing fake drugs? Burn them. Bring the chickens inside. We'll burn them. We'll burn them. Ship them inside.
Now straight. No, you for burn the chicken.
You know
for the straight barbecue.
No, you cannot burn chemical.
No, you cannot burn chemical. Just ship them inside. Burn them. That's all news.
I've got my people like this now. I they read and at least with the drum. When they bring out news topic, news headline where we say they happen for Nigeria. to come talk and make it for tutorial for body. And how we tell you do them, you self if you help us, just send your new story come. We go look them, we go edit them, we go talk them the way we go tutorial for body. Send and give us for the red at Wazobia TV.tv. Not also forget to follow us for Twitter. You go see gist the way the gist for there. We go throw away gist for there. We go to tweet now for body at the red and at the red. The day na DEY the red, or like our fan page for Facebook. Will be Facebook.com/I the red. Okay, let us go to what is it. A lucky shine.
Brotherly. Still on the matter on the red, as Sakarate bring video, na me say see video carry come. You know, when something worry person, he no feel to himself, he go gather congregation. So he go tell them, make the word they spread. So this matter we want see then, this video, they say, eat that poo-poo. Because gay, homosexuality, they happen. So the man, when he they teach, we don't know where to eat that poo-poo come in. Moku watch the video. Later we go relate them. Eat that poo-poo.
Now, if we have any children, please step out. This is a parental guidance moment. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pastor Dr. Martin Sempa. I'm here in the capacity as the chairman of the National Task Force Against Homosexuality in Uganda. To know what homosexuals do in the privacy of their bedroom, one of the things they do is called anal leaking, where a man's anus is leaked like this by the other person, like ice cream. And then what happens, even poo-poo comes out, the other poo-poo's out, and then they eat the poo-poo. Sex practice called fisting, where they insert their hand into the other man's hand, and it goes into the anus all the way. And it is so painful, they have to take drugs. This is what they do. Number one, you can see a man here having sucked the other person's rectum, and the other person is poo-pooing, and this one is eating the poo-poo all over the place. Hey, I mean, look at this guy sincerely. Bishop, staggerfulizer. Except eating poo-poo.
Then this one smears the poo-poo all over the other person's face. As if that is not enough, he puts the hand deeper. As Africans, we want to ask Barack Obama to explain to us, is this what he wants to bring to Africa as a human right, to eat the poo-poo of our children?
Do you want Obama to bring eating the poo-poo to Nigeria? No! We don't want to eat the poo-poo.
Instead of us to eat their poo-poo, we want to eat their pudding.
My man eating poo-poo is not good.
No, my man.
My man.
Even when you show...
Wait, make I narrate this in another way.
Bishop.
So Shakara now, and Shaggy. Go con day.
Wait
Now, Shakara go con eat Shaggy poo-poo.
Say then they fall in love. In short,
Don't talk
what happened? You know what happened? Chakara for don't talk anyhow.
I define word I want to cause Elena. You understand? You just your body too plenty to cause. You don't know where to be
Causing eye.
If just the way the pastor they explain and they try to...
But try get because I keep quiet since. I go use me do that kind of example.
Okay. I don't be friend. One and no fight. One and no fight.
For PCR.
One and no fight. Okay. This one a friend matter. This one na still a friend matter. One and no fight. Because he get this friend, blind man, and his friend wey no get hand at all. Then two come together, come plant 10,000 trees inside 10 years. So Shakara and Ellen, instead of to fight or eat that poo-poo, on I feel learn from this man. Oh, hear their story. How blind man and person who get hand, they plant 10,000 trees.
Man and handless friend plant 10,000 trees for 10 years. True, then say na condition make crayfish bend, naim Jiahaza and Jiawenki take come together as friends to help each other survive by planting trees so they fit see wetin dem go dey shop. These two guys be go look for work, but they no gree give them work sake of say the one wey blind, he blind. The one wey no get hand. So the two of them come meet. How they go help themselves, they come join hand together, do this business of planting trees. And for 10 years now, they don't plant 10 trees. As with the yarn so, them be big boys for area because they don't get level. One of them say, I give her my eye. And the other one say, I give her my hand. Now so we take do am to be big boys.
Fight.
Cooperation and make pot of rice food.
Which cooperation?
Cooperation.
What is the next person like this?
But for this kind of country, now they'll take plant tree. Where we take make camp.
No, depending on if na mango tree. I don't know if na mango tree will
Up here.
But I get one part of that voiceover what here we make me laugh. Say the one we blind. No, the one we blind before he deaf.
You know deaf before.
Wait, they say one. You say one blind.
You want me blind.
And you say they join hands together. How they join hands together? What they want you?
I'll be there put minds. No, lucky. Next time you'll be there put minds together.
In other words, never underestimate the little beginnings of anybody.
Yes.
And that brings me to this thing. This get one common saying what they say for this country. Let's join hands together and leave Nigeria. Not be everybody get hands.
Okay, let's join hearts together and leave Nigeria.
Our mind.
Yes. This and this we will take one for the matter for this week. We the Red. Don't forget to follow us for Facebook, follow us for Twitter, and also send us email about that news story where you want more talk, make it tutorial for body. My name is Nailena, and on behalf of my parliamentarians, Shaggy, Lucky Child, and MC Shakara, we say good night and God bless you.
Yeah.
We pledge
Still on peace.
Shields.
Still on peace.